Imagine launching a dropshipping business in one day with AI doing 90% of the work for you. Well, that's exactly what I'm going to show you in this video. And I'm going to launch my dropshipping store in 24 hours with AI doing most of the work. And I'm going to show you how literally anyone can do this by leveraging the power of AI. I'll be using a special AI tool called Atlas AI, which honestly changes the game in dropshipping. So without wasting any more time, let's get straight into the video. Now, firstly, we need to find our winning product. And there are so many ways to do this. You can use TikTok to help you find your winning product. To do this, you'll need to create a brand new TikTok account and simply just watch dropshipping product videos. What this will do is train the algorithm to constantly show you these type of videos. From there, you can start finding products which are doing really well. So you're looking for videos that have gone viral and has a lot of comments like I want this or I need this. This shows the potential to be a winning product. Now, another way to do this is by using an ad spy tool, which helps you find winning products by seeing how much revenue other stores generate. This is also a very good way to identify winning products. So the winning product that I found is this neck pillow. It's unique and it solves a problem. And it's a variation of the standard neck pillows that you may have seen. However, this is much more comfortable and wraps around your neck. So now that I have my winning product, it's time to build my store. Now, setting up a high converting store can take hours, sometimes even days. I remember when I used to build my stores completely from scratch. And I remember using free as well as paid themes to build my store. However, even with the paid themes, there was still a lot of guesswork in there. And honestly, with AI getting better and better, I then switched to AI to build the stores for me. And just by doing so, I started to see some incredible results, which were even better than the stores that I built myself from scratch. And the best part is that AI can do it in a matter of minutes. And this is where Atlas AI comes in. Atlas will show you exactly what a high converting store looks like. So there is no guessing and failing. And its advanced AI features allows you to build the store in a matter of minutes. And it's extremely simple because all you have to do is paste in the link of your product. Quick, simple, and super easy. So let me show you guys exactly how it works. Now, firstly, this is the Atlas website and it explains how easy it is. And honestly, it's really quick and easy to install. So I click over here where it says build my free store. It will then take me to the Shopify app store where I can download this app. Now make sure you are logged into your Shopify account. Once you are logged in, just click on install and then it will show another pop-up. So you just click on install again. And that's it. It's really as simple as that. Now let me show you exactly how it works. So obviously this is my product on AliExpress. So all I do is copy the URL of this product page. I then paste that link right over here, and then all I have to do is click on generate, and now AI will create a website for me using that product. So all I have to do is sit back and let AI do its thing. Right guys, so it's been a few minutes and AI has already created my website for me, and honestly it's turned out so good. You can literally see the website on the right and how amazing it looks. You can also literally change a bunch of things like your store name, your product name, etc. I can even change the color, which I'm probably going to go for white and blue. I can also adjust the reviews and edit them too, but honestly even the reviews look very well written. So now let's preview the website in full. So this is the product page for the website, and honestly I can't fault this website at all. It's so good, and as I scroll down you can already tell this is going to be a high converting store, and it literally took me less than 2 minutes to make. And what's amazing is this store is already optimized for conversions, meaning you don't have to guess what works and what doesn't. And over 35% of Atlas AI users are already making consistent sales. Trust me, you are going to get left behind if you don't adapt to using AI tools, which honestly makes dropshipping so much easier. They also have a built-in bundler app and AI photos. That way you don't need to use Gimmicks or any other bundler app anymore, which means that you're going to save a lot of money. Now honestly, this is something I wish I had years ago when I first started dropshipping. However, now there is no excuse not to make money by using AI tools like Atlas. So if you want to try this for yourself, check out Atlas by using the link in the description and use the code ATLAS15 for 15% off. Right, so now that we finally have the store created, we need to create video ads around our product. Now we can create videos around our products by ordering them and then filming around them. However, as I mainly want to use AI for my dropshipping store, we can either get ads created by getting viral ecom ads to create AI UGC videos for us. This is amazing because we can then use these videos to promote our products and it will seem like a real person made it. Now you can create the ad videos yourself by using AI. So for example, we could go on to Creatify and get an AI UGC video created, and from there we can edit the videos and include the product videos in them. So I've created a few videos using Creatify, which I am going to use for my ads. Now finally we need to create the actual ad sets. Now you're probably wondering, what platform should you use? Now you can either use Facebook or TikTok. These are two of the mainstream ones. I wouldn't recommend promoting it on any other platform. Again, it does depend on your product as well. I personally really like using TikTok ads, so for this product I'm going to promote it using TikTok ads. Now I have made a video on how to set up a low budget TikTok ad set. So if you want to know how I run my ads, you can either click the video that you see on the top, or I will leave it in the description below. So after a while of messing with my ads, I finally created my ad campaign. Now it does take time to test the ads. So over the next few days and coming weeks, I am going to test different ad sets, as well as test different ad videos to see which one's converting the best. I'm also looking to spend around $500 into the ads, and then I'm going to see exactly how much money I've made. Now, if you want me to make a follow-up video which shows the results, let me know down in the comments below. So guys, I've shown you how easy it is to set up your dropshipping store using AI. And if you're not using AI to streamline your processes in 2025, then you are seriously falling behind. So make sure to sign up with Atlas AI. The link will be in the description below. Also guys, I am helping people scale to over 10K a month through my online coaching program. So if you do need my help and want to make money online, then you can either book in a call with me by clicking the link in the description, or you can DM me on Instagram. And what we'll do is we'll jump on a call together and I'll see if you're a good fit. But yeah guys, thanks very much for watching the video. Make sure you share, subscribe and like, and I'll catch you guys for another video.